So how many of you during COVID bought a stepper? So you can use it for multiple things. The traditional is standing on it, of course, and doing step. In addition to step on your own, if you want to intensify your leg workout, right, or here, down and up. These are the obvious uses for a step, correct? To be on there, lunge down, lunge up, lunge down. You can be off the side. You can squat, get your butt, squat, get your butt. Other ways to use the stepper. If you want a more intense ab workout, a plank with your hands on the end, and because you're coming up against gravity, up and back, up and back, up and back. You want to add cardio? It's easier with your hands on the step. Do a jump squat, step back, up and back, up and back, and squat. Triceps. Everybody wants to work on the back of their arms. Sit on the edge of the step. Put your hands right next to you. Step out. Now you have gravity working with you to go below the level you can if you're sitting on the floor. Down and up. Down and up. You should feel your arms right away. And up. You can take one of the platforms out of the step, only on one side. Create a decline. Now you can do abs on a decline. Crunch, breathe in, and crunch. And you have the added advantage of crunching uphill. That is just a couple, 2, 3 things for using this step outside of a usual stepper. Thanks.